Here's how to set up units in SketchUp. When you first start SketchUp, you'll see this Welcome to SketchUp window with a couple templates listed. If you click on More Templates, and the thing we're interested in here is the units on the bottom here, you can notice the units are different on each of these. So even if I start up a file from one of the templates that uses inches as the default, you'll notice in the bottom right in the measurements box, when I go to draw a line, it will use the unit default from the template. This can be changed in the window model info, and then under units is where you want to go. So this template uses the architectural format. You could change this to decimal reading, and then you can also change the different units for the length, area, and volume to whatever you'd like. So if I want to do centimeters and maybe meters cubed, everything in SketchUp has a real world scale, so everything is still being drawn in real world scale, but the units will display differently. So now the default units right here, you can see for length is centimeters. So if I wanted to draw this 1 meter, I could either type in 100, enter, or if I just type in 1m, enter, that's 1 meter. And I can also do units that are not in the default. So I could do, if I wanted to make this 1 foot long, I could do 12 inches, enter, and these lines would be drawn to that length. One thing as well, suppose I want to make this 1 meter by 1 meter rectangle. The display and entity info of the area is related from that model info window. So as you can see, suppose I want to change this area to meters, and then that will update in model info, or in entity info, pardon me, to show your desired units. And it's not only just for new models too. If you have an existing model that is using a specific unit, you can always go to model info, change the units, and then it will update the units in your model.